for a quick bite.
I can already smell the food.
This is perfect. No! My hot dog! Why did this happen? Ryder, look out! Something's coming!
Move it, Slowpoke. Want a race, Slow Turtle? Try to keep up.
We'll beat him with a fair race.
Ready to lose again? At it, Skip! Let's go! We can still take the lead. Let's make this interesting. No slowing down.
Counter slip mode, activate. Hiya!
Visibility dropping. Holding the line. McQueen wins. Let's go! This can't be happening! Let's see you handle this.
McQueen, what's happening?
Clear all obstacles. Move! Get out of the way!
Wait, stop! He's out of control!
Block every exit. Reinforce the barricade. Target acquired. Deploy the Titan net now. Resist this train! Sys.tem.down. Secure the load. Lift now.
I wish this hadn't happened. We'll fix this together.
Wait! Why is it smoking? Smoking! Not again!
Begin the reversal sequence.
Maintain the vapor density. Hold it stable. Back.
To normal. Everything's okay now.
Just because I lost, they abandoned me.
It's okay. You're not alone. Dad, can we fix him? You can't catch me, McQueen! Are you okay?
You and that rusty junk better move.
I'll show him who the real racer is!
Don't worry, son. We'll fix him again.
Thank you, Dad. This is the greatest gift ever.
Go!
Hey, everyone! Let's make this fun!
Ready to be humiliated, little kitten?
Don't get cocky, Why. We'll see who really wins.
Let's end this.
We did it, McQueen!
You think this is over? Rise again, stronger than ever. Attack! Show them who the real power belongs to. Run! Everyone, run!
McQueen, show your strongest form!
No. You haven't seen the last of me.
We did it, Dad!
Yeah, we really did.
So this is where the mighty McQueen exists?
Soon, McQueen will be mine.
Happy birthday, kitten!
Go on, kitten, make a wish.
I wish we could all stay together forever and be happy.
I can't wait to eat that chocolate cake!
This is the best cake ever.
We should do this every week!
We should head home now, kitten. Goodbye.
Good night, everyone!
That was such a fun birthday party!
And that cake, so delicious!
Oh, aren't those McQueen's little friends? Looks like I've found a way to lure McQueen out.
What is that?
Run! It's after us!
Maybe he won't find us here.
No! What's happening? Now, McQueen, you will be mine.
We have to call McQueen! He'll save us!
Hello? What? They've been captured? McQueen! We have to go save our friends! They've been taken!
Hold on, kitten! We're gonna save them!
The legendary McQueen has arrived at last.
Let our friends go!
I won't release them. Instead, I'll destroy this entire city.
You won't get away this time!
So this is the true power of McQueen? I'll take it for myself and become the strongest being in the world.
Don't even dream of it! Now it's time to fight back!
Now, I will end this. We're free! We've been saved! No, this can't be.
Thank you for saving us, kitten.
You truly are a hero.
Watch this! My light particle emission will change everything!
That's incredible, McQueen! Show me how it works! Readings are stable. Go ahead, I've got your back. Copy. Deploying safety perimeter. Spectacular, McQueen!
Energy fading.
Help! Fail! What's happening to me?
Feed me everything. Dodge this!
Plant, stop! McQueen, if you're in there, fight it!
Silence! Is that all you've got, hero?
I'll crush your bravado! Eyes on me! Back to the shadows. Power misaligned. Stabilize. Now. It hurts! Consume! Amplify!
Hold on, McQueen, I'm coming! Let go, McQueen! McQueen, remember who you are. Sky.
You are free.
I can feel it coming back. Sky, thank you.
Balance restored.
We did it! Together!
I heard your voice through the noise.
I never stopped calling you.
They stole my creation! You want revenge? Then let's make them remember your name. I want them to feel pain.
Quiet night. Maybe too quiet.
Time to birth something extraordinary.
Stop! Please stop!
Hello, plant. It worked! Oh, it's only the beginning. They will all pay.
Rubble, we've got chaos downtown.
Let's dig through the storm!
Target visual mutant mechanical signature confirmed.
Hang on, citizens! Rubble's on the move! I found the core. Deep inside that mess of vines. Hey, ugly roots! Over here! Cutting season! Hold still, plant! Feed my creation! Destroy them all! You're in here somewhere. Got it! Let's fix our buddy.
Plant, I'm coming for you.
No one stops the storm inside me. Rubble!
Hold him still for 10 seconds.
Shade it up! Hang in there, buddy! You ruined everything! It's over, Tom! Fox! Time to cage the beast! No, my masterpiece! You're done, scientist!
I remember.
Chase! Rubble, I'm back! Maybe they'll finally see. The experiment isn't over.
We did it! Together!